Hi Timo, how can I open a chart of a symbol that I do not have in the market overview?
First of all, you need to add the icon to the market overview. You can do this in two ways. First, right-click on it and then click on Symbols, or if you click on View in the menu and then click on Symbols again, a new window will appear.
How is that, for example, if I would search Bitcoin?
In the overview I see first of all my complete symbols that I can trade, and if I now want to add Bitcoin I go here on cryptos and then I see all cryptocurrencies that I can trade. If I want to add Bitcoin now I double click here on Bitcoin. Then you can also see this $sign here in the front. That turns yellow, and here on the left is my market overview, and there you can see that it's been added.
Does it work the same way if I want to trade gold?
Yes, with gold it works exactly the same way. That means if I want to add gold I go to metals and there I have silver and gold. For example, I can click on gold, which is then the small gold contract where I can trade smaller contacts, so to speak, smaller position sizes. If I double click on it again, this symbol here in front also turns yellow again and it has been added to the market overview. I can now open this by clicking with the right mouse button on chart window, and accordingly the chart window is then open for me.
Now the chart does not look like what I usually see. How can I change the colors then?
For this I go into the settings of the StereoTrader. Again click to the left of the clock. Then StereoTrader Setup. Then on Layout, and accordingly under Chart Theme I have my colors that I can freely set, or rather the themes that I can select. If I want to have my standard colors again, the white candles and black candles, then I select for example do, and click on Apply, and accordingly I have changed my chart window, or my chart colors.
Now I know how to trade Bitcoin and gold. Thanks. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Bye.